Hi guys, it's nice to be back again with another cooking video. I hope you're doing well and you've been trying the various recipes that I've been posting on this channel. Today I'm going to be making a simple sauce. I call it lamb vegetable sauce. If you feel there's any name that is best suitable for this sauce, please leave it in the comment. Let me quickly take you through my ingredients. I've got ginger, onions, garlic, green beans, plum tomatoes, baby cucumbers, carrot, and then I have my lamb. Everything cleaned, chopped, and ready for cooking. I've got my saucepan already on the stove. Again, I'll use extra virgin olive oil. I try not to use too much oil, but it has to be enough to cover the surface of the saucepan. I'll start off with my herbs as usual. Parsley. If you don't have these herbs in your country, use whatever you have available. You don't need to use the same spices that I'm using. You can use your favorite spices. The same spices you use anytime you cook. It's been 2 minutes after. I will just add my onions. After 3 minutes, I'm adding the blended ginger, garlic, and onions. I'm going to do something a little bit different. Normally, I will allow this to brown a bit before I move to the next step, but I'm going to add the lamb at this point. Remember, cooking is an art, so you don't always have to follow the same pattern of cooking. You can do a little twist here and there. I'll cover this and let them brown together. Let's check on them. Let's check. Remember to keep an eye so that it doesn't burn. At this point, I'll add the tomatoes. I'm also going to add the rest of the vegetables. I've got my vegetable stock cube, lamb stock cube, coriander, and mixed spice. That's the last thing that is going to go in there. That's my lamb stock cube and vegetable stock cubes. I'll add coriander, and finally my mixed spice, and I'll mix everything together. And if at the end I feel like I need more salt, then I'll add my salt. I normally like to leave the salt at the end. That's all done, guys. Nice and simple. I hope you try this at home. You can eat this with anything. Please make sure you click on the thumbs up to like this video. Subscribe if you haven't done that yet to help us grow this channel, and also leave a comment to let me know what you like about this video. I'm very sure someone is thinking, today we didn't get our portion on kitchen romance. Well, there's no way I'll leave you out. So that's your portion, but I'm going to eat it for you today. How do you eat your rice and sauce? Do you mix everything together and then you eat it, or you mix little by little and eat like the way I'm doing? So this is little by little, and then I'll just take a portion like that. Leave it in the comment how you like to eat your rice and sauce. The vegetables are very crunchy. I like it that way. This is very nice. Please try it. Very simple, less time consuming, cost effective, and healthy. Please share this video with somebody. Thanks for watching and have a lovely week.